A quiet hospital room at night. A 78-year-old man lies in bed, weak but recovering. Soft beeping of machines fills the silence. A dim light shines from the window, symbolizing hope. The doctor gently hands him a hospital bill. The old man slowly reads it. His hands begin to tremble. Tears fall. The doctor speaks.
Don't worry, sir. You can pay it in installments.
I'm not crying because of the money. I can pay it. I've been breathing God's air for 78 years, and I never paid a single cent. If I had to pay, how much do I owe God?